Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through how you can easily change your character in Crossy Road. First of all, open up Crossy Road application on your device and start the game. On the main screen, tap on the little collection button which should be located at the bottom left. In the collection tab, go ahead and choose your character which is located at the top. And then you have this little arrow button on the right and left side of the screen. Go ahead and swipe through and find the character you'd like to change to. I have a Poopy Pigeon right now as a character. If you want to change to something else, simply swipe next and look for the character that you want to change to. In order to unlock some characters, you need to go ahead and spend some money. Some characters are unlocked by completing specific challenges or achievements in the game, and whereas some characters are available to be changed as free. Simply select the character and tap the play button at the bottom in order to change your character on Crossy Road. And that's it. That way you will be able to change your character easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Crossy Road tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.